Are you considering replacing your heat pump that will reliably and efficiently heat and cool your home? Not to mention, be easy on your budget? Well, let me introduce you to the Carrier Comfort 14 heat pump. This video will go over its benefits and cost and see who might benefit the most from this system. Hi, I'm Luke with Fire and Ice. As a residential sales professional, I've met with thousands of Central Ohio homeowners to help determine the best heating and cooling solution for their needs. When budget is a primary concern for a customer, one of the more popular solutions is the Carrier Comfort 14 heat pump, also known as the 25 HCE4. This video will examine the features and benefits, explore its efficiency rating, and review compatible equipment options. Then we'll see who might be the best fit for this heat pump and even look at its cost. By the end of this video, you'll know if the Carrier Comfort 14 is right for you. And if you find today's content helpful, subscribe to our channel for weekly educational content. Without further ado, let's look at the features and benefits of the Carrier Comfort 14. For starters, it is a single-stage compressor. This means the system operates at total capacity every time it kicks on. As a result, this tried and true technology delivers consistent and reliable heating and cooling throughout the year. Another feature of note is its attractive yet durable design. It's designed with a galvanized steel cabinet and coil guard painted to protect against dings, dents, and other outdoor threats. And living here in Central Ohio, you'll likely take advantage of its hybrid heat technology that automatically switches between electric or gas heat to help keep energy costs as low as possible. On its own, the Carrier Comfort 14 can continue providing heat in temperatures as low as -10 degrees Fahrenheit. That's far lower than most heat pumps on the market that struggle to provide heat when temperatures are in the mid-30s. And last but not least is the peace of mind that comes with a 10-year limited parts warranty. Heat pump efficiency is rated with 2 efficiency ratings, one for the heating and one for the cooling. They are measured by Seasonal Energy Efficiency Ratio, or SEER rating, on the cooling side. And the heating efficiency is rated using Heating Seasonal Performance Factor, or HSPF. Both ratings measure the efficiency of heat pumps used during the average heating or cooling season. For example, the Carrier Comfort 14 heat pump has a SEER rating of up to 14 SEER and an HSPF rating of up to 8.2. For comparison, most heat pumps on the market range between 14 and 22 SEER and 7.7 and 11 HSPF. Before we move on, if you're enjoying the video so far, please like this video and leave a comment once you're done. We love to hear what you have to say and answer any questions that you may have. And did you know we have even more resources on our website? Click the link here to visit our Learning Center for more in-depth information. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel for more great content. Regarding equipment pairing, it's recommended that the Carrier Comfort 14 heat pump be paired with other Carrier Comfort line equipment. For all electric homes, consider the Carrier Comfort Fan Coil, or FB4C. For dual fuel systems, consider the Carrier Comfort 80, 92, or 95 gas furnace. The Carrier Comfort 14 heat pump is designed to be a reliable, efficient piece of equipment that can meet most budgets. So, if you're a homeowner on a budget looking for a straightforward system that can reliably heat and cool your home, this is the heat pump for you. And suppose you live here in Central Ohio. Relying on electricity to heat your home, you're likely going to see some energy cost savings, since it can continue to provide heat even in sub-zero temperatures. However, suppose you suffer from uneven temperatures or hot and cold spots in your home. In that case, you might want to look into other heat pumps with more features like multi-stage compressors or communicating technology. It should be mentioned that it's not the quietest system on the market, operating at 69 decibels each time it kicks on. That's as loud as an average conversation. Now for the cost question. The Carrier Comfort 14 costs between $4,800 and $6,500, including equipment, installation, and any additional fees. For comparison, installing a new heat pump can range anywhere from $5,400 to $15,200. And since heat pumps need to be paired with a compatible electric air handler or furnace, expect to add $2,700 to $7,600 to the project. In HVAC, there is no one-size-fits-all solution, and several factors can affect the price. For example, the price of a heat pump can change depending on the size of your home, the size of the unit, additional indoor air quality products, and any modifications that may need to be done during installation. Let's talk about what to do next. If you want more information on the Carrier Comfort 14 or other heating and cooling solutions, click on the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, feel free to subscribe and click the bell icon to get notifications for new uploads. Thank you for watching. We look forward to making your day better.